Listen and repeat.
Any plans for the weekend? Any plans for the weekend?
Not really, just relaxing at home. How about you? Not really, just relaxing at home. How about you?
Do you have any siblings? Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have a brother and a sister. Yes, I have a brother and a sister.
Have you tried the new restaurant downtown? Have you tried the new restaurant downtown?
Not yet, but I heard it's really good. Not yet, but I heard it's really good.
Have you seen any good movies lately? Have you seen any good movies lately?
Yeah, I watched comedy last week. Yeah, I watched comedy last week.
Have you been on any vacations recently? Have you been on any vacations recently?
Yes, I went to the beach last month. Yes, I went to the beach last month.
How's work going? How's work going?
It's busy but interesting. How about yours? It's busy but interesting. How about yours?
Do you have any pets? Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a cat named Luna. Yes, I have a cat named Luna. Are you a fan of any sports? Are you a fan of any sports?
I love watching basketball. How about you? I love watching basketball. How about you?
What kind of music do you like? What kind of music do you like?
I enjoy pop and rock music. I enjoy pop and rock music.
Have you read any good books recently? Have you read any good books recently?
Yes, I just finished a mystery novel. Yes, I just finished a mystery novel.
How's your week going so far? How's your week going so far?
It's been pretty busy, but not too bad. It's been pretty busy, but not too bad.
Your outfit looks great. Your outfit looks great.
Thank you. I like your shoes too. Thank you. I like your shoes too.
Do you have any plans for later? Do you have any plans for later?
Just meeting a friend for coffee. Just meeting a friend for coffee.
Do you watch any TV shows regularly? Do you watch any TV shows regularly?
Yes, I'm really into that new drama series. Yes, I'm really into that new drama series.
The traffic was awful today. The traffic was awful today.
Tell me about it. Took me forever to get here. Tell me about it. Took me forever to get here.
Have you done any shopping lately? Have you done any shopping lately?
Yes, I bought a new dress last week. Yes, I bought a new dress last week.
How's your health been? How's your health been?
I've been feeling much better, thanks. I've been feeling much better, thanks.
Any plans for the evening? Any plans for the evening?
Just gonna cook dinner and relax. Just gonna cook dinner and relax.
What's your favorite season? What's your favorite season?
I love spring because of the blooming flowers. I love spring because of the blooming flowers.
If you could travel anywhere, where would you go? If you could travel anywhere, where would you go?
I've always wanted to visit Paris. I've always wanted to visit Paris.
Do you like using smartphones? Do you like using smartphones?
Yes, they're so convenient for staying connected. Yes, they're so convenient for staying connected.
What's your favorite type of food? What's your favorite type of food?
I really enjoy Italian cuisine. I really enjoy Italian cuisine.
What do you usually do on weekends? What do you usually do on weekends?
I like going for hikes and exploring nature. I like going for hikes and exploring nature.
Are you having a good time at the party? Are you having a good time at the party?
Yes, it's been a lot of fun so far. Yes, it's been a lot of fun so far.
Did you make any New Year's resolutions? Did you make any New Year's resolutions?
Yes, I want to start exercising more regularly. Yes, I want to start exercising more regularly.
Have you traveled to many places? Have you traveled to many places?
I've been to a few countries in Europe. I've been to a few countries in Europe.
Hi, how are you? Hi, how are you?
I'm good, thanks. How about you? I'm good, thanks. How about you?
Nice weather today, isn't it? Nice weather today, isn't it?
Yes, it's lovely outside. Yes, it's lovely outside.
Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name? Hi, I'm Alex. What's your name?
I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you. I'm Sarah. Nice to meet you.
Do you have any hobbies? Do you have any hobbies?
Yes, I enjoy painting and reading. How about you? Yes, I enjoy painting and reading. How about you?